didn't see it, hey you guys. I am Meshnee. Yeah, let the Einstein go. Today, I'm going to read a story to you. I'm excited. Are you guys? Let me read it to you now. The donkey without a brain. How a donkey can have a brain, you guys? Interesting. Let's go, you guys. A donkey have a brain. Do you know that? A lion was too weak to hunt. He asked a fox for help. Oh, a lion is too weak to hunt. So, he decided to ask a fox for help. I am very hungry, said the lion. Arrange an animal for me to eat. I shall go right away, boss, said the fox. So the fox went for an animal for the lion to eat. The fox saw a donkey and asked why he looks sad. The donkey told him that he was searching for a job. Oh, the donkey don't have a job. That's why he is very sad. Poor. You just got the job of assisting the lion in hunting, exclaimed the fox. So the donkey went happily with the fox. The fox lying to the donkey. What's going to happen next? So scary. When the lion saw the donkey with the fox, he tried to pounce on it. The donkey ran away, and the fox chased him. Oh, the lion saw the donkey and wanted to kill him. The donkey saw the lion, and the donkey ran away, and the fox chased him too. The fox said, the lion was only testing your bravery. He never eats donkeys. The foolish donkey believed the fox and went back with him. Oh no! The fox telling lie to the donkey. The donkey believed the fox. This time, the lion pounced on the donkey from behind a bush. The donkey could not save himself from the lion's attack and was killed. Poor donkey, poor little donkey. The lion wanted to eat straight away, but the fox convinced him to have a bit first. I think the fox had a plan, but what kind of plan? Let's see. Do you like to see it, you guys? But I am seeing. Later, as the lion started to eat, he saw that the brain was missing. Where is the donkey's brain? He roared. The fox replied, donkeys have no brains. I think the fox eat the donkey's brain. I think that is the fox plan, you guys. Oh, the moral is you should never trust a natural enemy. That is the story about it, guys. Do you enjoy it? Okay, before you go, share this video. Bye, you guys. Oh, and welcome to Meshnee channel. Bye.